Hello everybody, this is Sonya. I come on here today to show you what I bought last time, over the last few times I've been up the street. And a couple of things off AliExpress. I don't want to say this, but I think I'm not going to go shopping for stuff anymore. I really need to probably put the brakes on that, because I need to clear out some of the stuff. Okay, maybe the biggest thing is I've so far taken out, I think I might have said this in the last video, I don't know, but I've actually thrown away 8 big, actually the auto bin full of books. Okay, I actually went through them and took out everything that I wanted to keep, all the pictures, cut them all out and kept them, and my alarm's going off and I haven't even set it yet. Okay, righto, we'll get it to work again. I threw all them out. The auto bin is a very big thing, as you will know, and you know, I still got more. The majority of my stuff, I've got too much of each thing, so my husband and I are going to work on getting it down, because he said he could help me, so that's really good. So we're going to do that. And I've started. I said in the last video that I will be doing some destashing. I'll also be doing some giveaway parcels just for the postage, like in Australia anyway, because the postage is it's going to cost about, I'm going to put $10 on it, so that means it covers me envelope and like the padded envelope that I'll put them in, and you get the contents, whatever it will be, which will be up to 500 grams worth of stuff, I hope. A lot of it will be, first I'm going to do my doilies and things like that. That will be first up. As far as I know, because I intend to do that, I'm taking them all out of here and I'm going out to because it's closest to the door. Whatever's close to the door I'm going to do first. So I'm going to do that cupboard there. It's got doilies and linen and all that sort of stuff in it. And I have 5 drawers, and nobody needs 5 drawers of doilies and linen, do they? So that's going to go. I will gift some away, and I will, have a little cost on the rest of it. It just depends. I mean, I'd rather just make sure that it goes to a good home. Okay, so what I bought the last time was that I went up the street with these sticky pads. Cool, I'd say. I mean, I'm not going to use them for that. Hang on, they're supposed to be sticky pads. Let me see, that one's not. Maybe I got the wrong thing there, but these are. Like, this is a sticky paper. But that's not why I got them. I got them because they're already coloured and they've got lines on them. And, I love these colours and these things. Handy. I thought that would be really handy. They were around, these were $1 or something each, these ones. I don't know how much that one was. I thought it was the same thing, but it's not. But anyway, it's 40 pages in there. So that's really cool. I don't know what I'll do with, there'd be something to make with them. What else did I buy new here? Nothing I can see. This one here I got on AliExpress. This is a braid maker, alright? Got no idea what I'm talking about, have you? These prongs here, you use these to weave your whatever through to make, okay? I don't know how much this was. It wasn't very dear. Would also make a good weaving thing, wouldn't it? But this is in the process of what I'm getting as well. There's other stuff that'll come with it. This is by itself today, so I don't know why, but I will show you what to do with that when I get the rest of the things and get myself a bit more organised. So anything exciting, interesting, you put paper around that, you can put ribbon around it, whatever you want to. On AliExpress also I got this here. Oh dear, I'm having terrible trouble with my eye today for some reason. It's just not happy. One unhappy eye. This is a die that I bought. Really nice looking one, isn't it? I will get round to cutting it out, because I wanted one that had different clothes and things, so you can interchange it. And I didn't know how big it would be, but that's not a bad size to put in your journals, is it? you got the lady, then you got all the separate little clothes that comes with her. I don't know how much that was, but it wasn't anything I buy wouldn't be over $4 either. Anyway, because I'm too lousy. Now I like these. I really do like these flashcards because these are money and time ones. These are really cool. I think they are anyway, because they've got what's the names on these have got time and these ones here have got money on them. Okay, the kids, but they're just the thing to put to turn into cover them if you want to. I think I'd maybe decorate that piece and leave that there to write on. I think. See, that'd be nice to have to just to do some journaling around the 10 cents. Okay, that's what I was thinking anyway, because I like those. I've managed to pick up a fair few cards, so they will be going out. I mean, I don't need the full packet, do I? Half a packet's enough, isn't it? Maybe too much too. I also got these stamps on AliExpress. Love the stamps. Look at the bunnies. I'm going to have a stamp of that in a minute. And I got these because I thought I only just ordered these and they're fair here now. Because I was making some faux stamps and I didn't have a wiggly line. I did find a wiggly line, but I wanted a circle as well, a stamp on it. So I got that there. That come along, you know, and I thought maybe I'd ordered it a long time ago. I don't know. I've got this hair thingy that I'm thinking about using because it's got all these pockets and it's nice and new, but I'm thinking about taking them out of there and doing something so they're standing up so I can put things down in them. What do you reckon? How am I going to do that and what am I going to do with it? I don't know yet. But that was what I was seeing. I thought, gee, look at those. I've got all them pockets there. They might hold my little stamps, or if I did put them in something, I don't want it too big. I don't want the containers to make the containers too big because then I can't hang on to it. If I took that off there and glued it up there, then you'd only have one thing, and then you do another thing, and then I've got all these things. Why are they facing? Why aren't they going down that way? You can't expect that when you just find it from, I think it was $1, so you can't expect that. Now this was something that I got that I thought was quite fun. Look at this. I bought a packet of cards. Aren't they cool? Oh my goodness me. I could not believe that's what these were. They cost me $3 at Vinnie's. I've had them for a week or two, I suppose. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? Look. Love them. Absolutely beaut they are. Now what would I do with them? I'll never know. I'm going to gift a couple out anyway. I've got a couple of parcels here. I'm packing up ready to go, so I might be putting some of these in for a couple of people. Because I keep forgetting I got them. I keep forgetting that I got them there and I'm going to have to do something with them. I don't think I can keep them for playing cards. I think they're too big. They might work for something. I don't know. I've just got no idea. The joker you could use, I suppose you could put that on the wall. I guess you could have that as a wall thing, maybe. I don't know. Just depends what sort of thing you like. I don't like putting too much stuff on the wall. We've got a lot of things there now that are just my son, actually, is on the wall. No, so that's really pretty cool, isn't it? And there is 52 cards there. I was going to say 23. There's 52. So whether people would cut them, I don't know. Would you cut them up? Would you cut them up? Because then you lose the idea, don't you? You know, that's the thing. I suppose you could cut that out there and have it as a page or on a cover, and then you could use these bits here for on tags or something, maybe. I hope somebody's got a good idea with this. I do hope so. So I'll be sending a couple of those out to people, or even putting some of those in the stash, in the stashes things as well, because I'm not going to be able to use all them. But you can't leave these things there. There's something that says to you, no, don't do that. Don't leave it there. That one's a bit broken. Looks like somebody's chewed it. Hope not. Hope nobody's chewed it. Oh dear, aren't they cool? They probably weigh a couple, I things, I don't know. Anyway, so that was all I got in my haul video. So that's all I got to show you today. So anyway, I better go, and I'll catch up later, but I hope to not be buying anything else for a while. Should I pick up things I want and say, no, I won't have that, and see how much it costs? Just put it back and I'll say, just save $2. I don't know. I love to do it. But then again, it's starting to get a little bit, I don't know. So I just can't explain it. I'm not that keen anymore because I'm not finding anything amazing. Sometimes I suppose you do. You pick up something like this, and then there's things that are really good bargains. I remember when I first started going to the garage sales, I used to buy so much because it wasn't expensive. It didn't matter whether I needed it or not. It was terrible. And then I learnt not to do that because as fast as I was buying it, I had to throw it out anyway because it was too much stuff to, I do have a issue with buying things. I just love goodies. Oh, that's what we're going to do. Well, let's try this stamp before you go. If you haven't already gone. We'll try this stamp, and see what it does. See if it's any good. Because that's an issue too. You've got to make sure your stamps work, don't you? Now, you know what? A piece of paper would be good. Dear Sonia, where would you put the paper in this house? There's paper everywhere. That's a bit of great. That's nice, that piece, isn't it? Come out the front of one of the books. Actually, I was thinking about cutting out a kangaroo out of that, so I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to cut out a kangaroo out of that bit. I don't know if they'll come out very good on this. I'll try this piece here. I don't think they'll work very good on that. I'm going to try these little rabbits and things. Rabbits and fox. Little fox. He looks exciting, doesn't he, that fox? If I got a, one of those things. Here we are. One of those things. I don't know if it's big enough. Yep, it should fit the fox and the rabbit on that. A block. Stamp block. It's got, I wonder what that is there. They look like tadpole eyes or something. Oh, well, they do. I can't help that. If I said that's what they look a bit like to me. Let's try this little fox first. Nice, isn't he? Isn't he pretty one? I think it needs to be brown, don't you? I don't know if I've got the brown ink because I got carried away and took a bit of stuff out there to the room because I'm bringing it back out of my lounge room. I have a black one. I have to be a black fox today. I don't think I've got anything other than the other black. So this is just one that you buy at the newsagents, this ink. I bought it a long time ago before I could shop online. I think we bought this ink. I don't think it's dried out. It wasn't the other day. Got to push down a bit more. Make sure you get all the whole piece, the whole part of the fox. I suppose there could be such a thing as a black one. It needs to go like that so he's straight. You can see that most of it had ink on it. Oh my goodness, isn't he beaut? Look at that. Isn't he gorgeous? He's a nice one, that fox. He's even smiling too. That's cool, he's having a smile. Let's see what else I got. There's still lots of ink on this. I should have just kept stamping him, I suppose. But I'll use him on something, I imagine. There's another thing. I want a rabbit. I want to see how the rabbits looked. Two bunnies. Right. Put that on there like that. I'm going to press it down a bit. Where's the... Don't lose your fox. Right, there's the bunnies. I can put them both there, can't I? Well, they are together. I'm just worrying that the ink will go into that part in the middle. Oh, no, it didn't. They're fluffy. They're fluffy. It doesn't matter how hard you press. It just matters how long you leave it there. That looks good. I like that one there. He's really good, isn't he? That's nice. I don't think I'd attempt to colour them in because I just haven't got that ability. I'm not that really clever at it, but they look nice on your pages, you know, if you want to put them in a background that's got trees or something around and you want to put a bunny rabbit on there, you know, that'll look really cool, wouldn't it? What else is in here? Birdie, I'm sure he'll be fine. From our house, see what I like the house one. Let's try the house one. See what that looks like. These cost, I think, about $3 to $4, not anymore. I was thinking they were a lot smaller too, so I'm really pleased about how big they are. I know this is not going to fit on there, but I'm going to put it on there anyway because I'm going to try and do it so it'll all stamp anyway. Once I've got ink all over it, it should work. It should work. I'm probably stamping on something that's not good either. That's too, it's not bouncy. It's supposed to be bouncy. You press the ink on something that's like a pad that's going to let it move and give and stuff like that. Maybe instead of something too hard. I don't know whether this this will work or not. I don't think I've got a lot of ink on here yet either. You'd have to, if you wanted to do this, you could put different colours. You could put a bit of green on that side for the tree. There's a lot of ladies on here that show you how to do smart, clever things like that. I don't think that'd come out very good, the ink. I don't think I got much ink on this. Oh yes, I did. You can see it now, look. See it plainly now. I'll put it down. I'm not a professional at the stamping thing, as you really can tell. Oh, wow. Gee, that looks really good. Oh, dear, I like that house. Look at that. It turned out good. Wow. That looks nice, doesn't it? Oh, here praising myself. Why not? They look really good. They do. They come out really well. And of course, there's logs and other sorts of bits and pieces. Because when I buy things, I end up getting the most smallest thing, mostly, you know, accidentally. Of course, you think you're getting something that's going to be big enough to use, and then you get something that's only really tiny. But anyway, that's in the right. I was stuck in there somehow, and I'm going to fix it later because they're going to have to all go in their own little place eventually. So I'm going to sit back in there. No, so that's really good. I really like that stamp, so I'm really pleased with that. And then I just got these other ones that you stamp on your photo stamps. Obviously that's the idea anyway, so you can make photo stamps and then put your postmark on it. Which have got lots of different things written on them, so that's pretty cool, eh? I'm really pleased with that one too. That was only a couple of dollars as well, so I do like to shop on AliExpress. Even though it takes me a long time to get them, I don't care because, you know, it's worth it to the amount of money that you can save, and the things are pretty good. And I've never had any trouble with the dyes. If anything, I think I like the dyes from over there better than the other ones that I've purchased previously. So anyway, thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you are still hauling home good things. It'd be nice if you are hauling home goodies, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.